You know, last time I was on this map, dude, I had like 15 confirmed kills. 3 of those were headshots.
Oh, I thought headshots were illegal.
Yeah, but you know, I don't care.
Dude, that's dope. Oh,
Oh shit.
Watch out! Whoa! My head.
Dude, Nick, you saved
He got
us.
you. You're out. Headshots don't count, you dick.
Yeah, you can't be
Fall back,
doing that
guys.
around here.
Dude.
Oh my god.
That was the illest shit ever.
Dude, the way you dove like that was like straight out of Call of Duty.
Bro.
Not bad, kid.
Dude, awesome.
Guys, keep your head low.
Down the tree.
Stick the car!
Oh, fire.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh no, they got Benny. Get out of here. Oh. Another cool dive, dude. That's so awesome.
And you shot Benny, just like in Call of Duty.
Great job, kid. Let's go.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Just, laying on my shoulder a little funny, but I'm just glad that looked cool.
Yeah, it was so cool, just like Call of Duty.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we gotta go, man. We gotta keep moving.
Okay.
Heads down. All right, guys, this is your check. Here they come. Instructions. Hold.
On fire!
Go, go! Yeah, yeah! Yeah, nice shot! Yeah!
Nice ammo, guys.
Yes! Call of Duty, baby!
Yeah. Yo, Nick, what happened?
Yeah, I'm good. Just, one of my classic dives, you know? Did you guys see that one?
Nah, dude, but good job. You know.
Okay. Do you need help?
No, I'm good, you know? Just love diving.
All right. Well.
Hey, actually, I might need a hand. Okay, yeah, no, I got it.
Watch out!
Dive!
False alarm.
Guys, see that one? That was cool. I know that one was cool.
What? Dude,
Oh.
my.
You guys saw that, right?
Nick,
That was a good one. You guys saw that dive? You guys saw that dive?
Nick, this way. Go.
I think I'm fucking dying. Oh! You guys are gonna make it to the next day. I don't think I am. Nope. Oh. You guys saw that though, right? Yeah. Oh, good thing it's not loaded, guys. That would have been bad. That would have been on you. Did you guys see that?
Dude, stop diving. It's not cool anymore. You overdid it.
I didn't ever do shit.
Bro, I think you should give this one up, man.
You guys did this to me. You guys told me this was cool.
Go home, buddy.
I hate you!
You are my brother, Nicholas! I love you!
Ah!
Your Majesty, this way.
There he is. He is still alive.
Get a medical capsule immediately.
Yes, sir. Right away.
Henceforth, you shall be known as Nerf Vader.